over 90 years, Yetter Farm Equipment's innovative products have been improving farming operations. Visit yetterco.com to learn more.
What we're expecting to hear is, unfortunately, we're hearing forecasts from some of our, Deere and some other vendors saying that they think 25 is going to be similar to 24, hoping to see a rebound. But as a farmer myself, we're always optimistic that we're going to see things improve as far as in terms of the markets. But some of the things like we talked about, we're looking forward to this winter about putting on a clinic, for customers on either planters or sprayers or maybe a combination of both. So we look forward to having more clinics to update customers on the technology, some of the new technology coming from Deere, or just better how to utilize some of the existing technology we have. So obviously that's something we're looking forward to. Again, we talked about previously talked about some of the new technology from Deere, the Gen 5 monitors, and something that's being very well received that we're seeing growing is AutoPath. So we're really excited to have that technology for customers for planting and spraying and harvesting, and the customers that have picked that up absolutely love it. No more counting rows with combines, no more getting off rows with sprayers. It's just been a wonderful technology. So some of those things, the adoption of the technology. This next year, we're hoping to do a little more demoing with the See and Spray Ultimate. Having some opportunities for customers to get that out there and try that. This last year, with the way spring planting was, we were not able to do that. So this next year we are. So obviously, the new technology coming out from Deere, we're excited about. And then just this year, working with our customers and trying to help them, with the money that they have available for investment, make sure we're maximizing that.
Yeah, maybe elaborating on that a little bit more. When you have a challenging market and purse strings are a little bit tighter with some of your customers, how do you kind of shift your approach to maybe be more proactive?
Sure. So, some of the things like we talked about, is if people want the new technology and are not able to trade for it in a tractor, we'll bring in, a lot of times we'll make joint calls with our AMS team. How do we update your existing tractor, getting the Gen 5 monitor and new globes, things like that. So we're doing some of those things. But, before we're, maybe a customer do a multi-piece deal, maybe we talk about okay, well, just kind of knowing your equipment, here's a piece that's getting some age on it, and this might be something that we want to target as far as for trade. As far as more critical pieces, maybe it's upgrading a draper head, maybe it's upgrading the draper platform, things like that. So it's just kind of, fortunately, kind of getting to know the customers and knowing their equipment and things like that, and kind of helping them make that decision. Obviously, that we want them to be in charge, but maybe we can provide some feedback, just kind of okay, here's the market, and we've got a good opportunity on this planter for you, and you could update to something newer, and maybe maybe reduce your repair costs. And then with the low interest rates too, maybe kind of helps them with their cash flow.